When you are ready to finish up your logo for submission, the one thing I want you to do is make sure all your fonts are turned to outline. That way I can open up your file, and if I don't have the same fonts installed that you did, I will still see the correct logo. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to give you a quick demo now. So I am in Adobe Illustrator, which is where you hopefully designed your logos. And this is just a quick little lockup logo I created earlier today for somebody. And if I select everything, you can see these underlines under the type means that it's text. So that's how I know it's text and not shape, and it needs to be turned to outline. I also know it's text because if I have the text tool, I can select the text and type over it. Okay. You can do each piece at a time, or you can save yourself some time and just select everything. I can even select this red rectangle. It doesn't matter. So just select your whole logo. You're going to go up under Type, Create Outlines right here, or that's the key command. All right, I clicked that button, and now instead of those underlines under all the letters, there are outlines around every letter, because now these are no longer letters, these are shapes. And as I clicked into them, you can see that just the S is selected as a shape. So now this is not text, but shapes, and you no longer need to have the font that I used to design this to be able to open this file and use it. It's really important though that you have a copy of your logo with the fonts as fonts. So you can go in and change it, or down the road you might be like, what font did I use? And that's the only way you're going to know. So, you know, probably like duplicate your final logo file and then turn that file to outlines so you still have a working file as well for your reference. All right, but after this, you're good. You're just going to save this out as a PDF file, save as or save a copy, PDF, and you're good to submit your work. Great job finishing up.